So what does it mean to root? Root stands for create. That is, if you want to create or add new entries into your database, then the method name will be create is HTTP post. Okay. And the second one is retrieve or for retrieve. Okay. Or that can read or retrieve search the data ID you want to search from your database. Then retrieve will be used. So how to use retrieve for your database? You can use retrieve method uh, by using HTTP GET. Okay. GET is used to read the entire list of your items from your database. Okay. And the third one is update. If you want to update or edit existing entries in a table, okay. So the method name will be HTTP port. Okay. And if you want to delete or remove existing entries from your database, then the method should be used for delete. Okay, HTTP delete. So that is the symbol of the CRUD operation. Okay, and thanks for watching.